Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am uploading the sound of auto rickshaw being driven from the interior perspective, which means if you have a scene where somebody is going somewhere through an auto, you can use this sound as an ambience. It will give a lot of depth to your scene. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you very much.